Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to remove ads or restrict ads on Temu. Now this can be done on iPhone or Android. The method is different, however here I'm using an iPhone, so I'll just have the option to restrict the ads shown by Temu. And to show you what I mean, here I'm on my settings app here. Now on Temu, I'm on my Temu app right here. And sometimes Temu will give you some ads on the home page, or if you tap on the U option here, and if you click on message or tap on messages, you can view some promotions and some products here that will pop up. Now this is of course normal because Temu wants to promote the platform itself. However, if you want to get rid of the ads, simply go back to the settings here. You want to scroll down this is for the iPhone, as I told you, to privacy and security, and then scroll all the way down. You'll see here Apple advertising, and here you can turn off personalized ads. I have it turned off by default. If you turn it on, the ads will be personalized, or the app will be able to collect data for your Apple device in order to personalize your ads. You'll restrict the app's access to your data and thus restricting your ads. Now, if you were using an iPhone, it'll be easier. Just simply go to your settings and search for DNS and activate a private DNS in order to fully remove or block the ads on any app. So this will work not only for the Temu app, but it will work generally on any app on your Android. So basically that's the way, if you have an iPhone or an Android, to be able to block ads or restrict the ads on Temu.